Welcome to AI Unraveled, the podcast that demystifies frequently asked questions on artificial intelligence and keeps you up to date with the latest AI trends. Join us as we delve into groundbreaking research, innovative applications, and emerging technologies that are pushing the boundaries of AI. From the latest trends in ChatGPT and the recent merger of Google Brain and DeepMind to the exciting developments in generative AI, we've got you covered with a comprehensive update on the ever-evolving AI landscape. In today's episode, we'll cover OpenCopilot, Google's personalized text generation, Luma AI's fly-throughs app, the impact of U.S. court ruling on AI artworks, Scale's test and evaluation for LLMs, the wide range of AI applications discussed, and the Wondercraft AI platform for podcasting, along with some promotional offers in the book AI Unraveled. Have you heard about OpenCopilot? It's an incredible tool that allows you to have your very own AI copilot for your product. And the best part? It's super easy to set up, taking less than 5 minutes to get started. One of the great features of OpenCopilot is its seamless integration with your existing APIs. It can execute API calls whenever needed, making it incredibly efficient. It utilizes language models, LLMs, to determine if a user's request requires making an API call. If it does, OpenCopilot cleverly decides which endpoint to call and passes the appropriate payload based on the API definition. But why is this innovation so important? Well, think about it. Shopify has its own AI-powered sidekick, Microsoft has Copilot variations for Windows and Bing, and even GitHub has its own Copilot. These Copilots enhance the functionality and experience of these individual products. Now, with OpenCopilot, every SaaS product can benefit from having its own tailored AI Copilot. This means that no matter what industry you're in or what kind of product you have, OpenCopilot can empower you to take advantage of this exciting technology and bring your product to the next level. So why wait? Get started with OpenCopilot today and see how it can transform your product into something truly extraordinary. Google's latest research aims to enhance the text generation capabilities of language models, LLMs, by personalizing the generated content. LLMs are already proficient at processing and synthesizing text, but personalized text generation is a new frontier. The proposed approach draws inspiration from writing education practices and employs a multi-stage and multitask framework. The framework consists of several stages, including retrieval, ranking, summarization, synthesis, and generation. Additionally, the researchers introduce a multitask setting that improves the model's generation ability. This approach is based on the observation that a student's reading proficiency and writing ability often go hand in hand. The research evaluated the effectiveness of the proposed method on 3 diverse data sets representing different domains. The results showcase significant improvements compared to various baselines. So, why is this research important? Customizing style and content is crucial in various domains, such as personal communication, dialogue, marketing copies, and storytelling. However, achieving this level of customization through prompt engineering or custom instructions alone has proven challenging. This study emphasizes the potential of learning from how humans accomplish tasks and applying those insights to enhance LLMs' abilities. By enabling LLMs to generate personalized text, Google's research opens doors for more effective and versatile applications across a wide range of industries and use cases. Have you ever wanted to create stunning 3D videos that look like they were captured by a professional drone, but without the need for expensive equipment and a crew? Well, now you can with Luma AI's new app called Fly-Throughs. This app allows you to easily generate photorealistic cinematic 3D videos right from your iPhone with just one touch. Fly-Throughs takes advantage of Luma's breakthrough NERF and 3D generative AI technology, along with a new path generation model that automatically creates smooth and dramatic camera moves. All you have to do is record a video like you're showing a place to a friend, and then hit the generate button. The app does the rest, turning your video into a stunning 3D experience. This is a significant development in the world of 3D content creation because it democratizes the process, making it more accessible and cost-efficient. Now, individuals and businesses across various industries can easily create captivating digital experiences using AI technology. Speaking of accessibility and cost reduction, there's another interesting development called local LLMs. These models, such as Llama 2 and its variants, offer competitive performance, dependability, and flexibility for businesses. With local deployment, businesses have more control, customization options, and the ability to fully utilize the capabilities of the LLM models. By running Llama models locally, businesses can avoid the limitations and high expenses associated with commercial APIs. They can also integrate the models with existing systems, making AI more accessible and beneficial for their specific needs. So whether you're looking to create breathtaking 3D videos or deploy AI models locally, these advancements are making it easier and more cost-effective for everyone to tap into the power of AI. Recently, a court ruling in the United States has clarified that artworks created by artificial intelligence, AI systems, do not qualify for copyright protection. This decision has significant implications for the entertainment industry, which has been exploring the use of generative AI to produce content. The case involved Dr. Stephen Thaler, a computer scientist who claimed ownership of an artwork titled A Recent Entrance to Paradise, generated by his AI model called the Creativity Machine. Thaler applied to register the work as a work for hire, even though he had no direct involvement in its creation. However, the U.S. Copyright Office, USCO, rejected Thaler's application, stating that copyright law only protects works of human creation. They argued that human creativity is the foundation of copyrightability and that works generated by machines or technology without human input are not eligible for protection. Thaler challenged this decision in court, arguing that AI should be recognized as an author when it meets the criteria for authorship and that the owner of the AI system should have the rights to the work. However, U.S. District Judge Beryl Howell dismissed Thaler's lawsuit, upholding the USCO's position. The judge emphasized the importance of human authorship as a fundamental requirement of copyright law and referred to previous cases involving works created without human involvement, such as photographs taken by animals. Although the judge acknowledged the challenges posed by generative AI and its impact on copyright protection, she deemed Thaler's case straightforward due to his admission of having no role in the creation of the artwork. Thaler plans to appeal the decision, marking the first ruling in the U.S. on the subject of AI-generated art. Legal experts and policymakers have been debating this issue for years. In March, the USCO provided guidance on registering works created by AI systems based on text prompts, stating that they generally lack protection unless there is substantial human contribution or editing. This ruling could greatly affect Hollywood studios, which have been experimenting with generative AI to produce scripts, music, visual effects, and more. Without legal protection, studios may struggle to claim ownership and enforce their rights against unauthorized use. They may also face ethical and artistic dilemmas in using AI to create content that reflects human values and emotions. Hey folks, big news in the world of LLMs. That's language models for the uninitiated. These little powerhouses have been creating quite a buzz lately, with their potential to revolutionize various sectors. But with great power comes great responsibility, and there's been some concern about their behavior. You see, LLMs can sometimes exhibit what we call model misbehavior and engage in black box behavior. Basically, they might not always behave the way we expect them to, and that's where Scale comes in. Scale, one of the leading companies in the AI industry, has recognized the need for a solution. They've just launched test and evaluation for LLMs. So why is this such a big deal? Well, testing and evaluating LLMs is a real challenge. These models, like the famous GPT-4, can be non-deterministic, meaning they don't always produce the same results for the same input. Not ideal, right? To make things even more interesting, researchers have discovered that LLM jailbreaks can be automatically generated. Yikes. So, it'll be fascinating to see if Scale can address these issues and provide a proper evaluation process for LLMs. Stay tuned as we eagerly await the results of Scale's test and evaluation for LLMs. It could be a game changer for the future of these powerful language models. So let's dive right into today's AI news update. We have some exciting stories to share with you. First up, we have OpenCopilot, which offers an AI copilot for your own SaaS product. With OpenCopilot, you can integrate your product's AI copilot and have it execute API calls whenever needed. It's a great tool that uses LLMs to determine if the user's request requires calling an API endpoint. Then it decides which endpoint to call and passes the appropriate payload based on the given API definition. In other news, Google has proposed a general approach for personalized text generation using LLMs. This approach, inspired by the practice of writing education, aims to improve personalized text generation. The results have shown significant improvements over various baselines. Now let me introduce you to an exciting app called Flythroughs. It allows you to create lifelike 3D experiences from your phone videos. With just one touch, you can generate cinematic videos that look like they were captured by a professional drone. No need for expensive equipment or a crew. Simply record the video like you're showing a place to a friend, hit generate, and voila! You've got an amazing video right on your iPhone. Moving on, it seems that big brands like Nestlé and Mondelez are increasingly using AI-generated ads. They see generative AI as a way to make the ad creation process less painful and costly. However, there are still concerns about whether to disclose that the ads are AI-generated, copyright protections for AI ads, and potential security risks associated with using AI. In the world of language models, AI2, Allen Institute for AI, has released an impressive open dataset called Llama. This dataset is the largest one yet and can be used to train powerful and useful language models like GPT-4 and Claude. The best part is that it's free to use and open to inspection. Lastly, the former CEO of Machine Zone has launched Be Fake, an AI-based social media app. This app offers a refreshing alternative to the conventional reality portrayed on existing social media platforms. You can now find it on both the App Store and Google Play. That wraps up today's AI update news. Stay tuned for more exciting updates in the future. Hey there, AI Unraveled podcast listeners. Are you ready to dive deeper into the exciting world of artificial intelligence? Well, we've got some great news for you. Etienne Newman, the brilliant mind behind AI Unraveled, demystifying frequently asked questions on artificial intelligence, has just released his essential book. With this book, you can finally unlock the mysteries of AI and get answers to all your burning questions. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious about the impact of AI on our world, this book has got you covered. It's packed with insights, explanations, and real-world examples that will expand your understanding and leave you feeling informed and inspired. And the best part? You can easily grab a copy of AI Unraveled from popular platforms like Shopify, Apple, Google, or Amazon. So no matter where you prefer to get your digital or physical books, it's all there for you. So get ready to unravel the complexities of artificial intelligence and become an AI expert. Head on over to your favorite platform and grab your copy of AI Unraveled today. Don't miss out on this opportunity to broaden your knowledge. Happy reading! On today's episode, we discussed OpenCopilot's AI sidekick that empowers innovation, Google's method for personalized text generation, Luma AI's app, Flythroughs for creating professional 3D videos, the U.S. court ruling on AI artworks and copyright protection, Scales test and evaluation for LLMs, the latest updates from AI2, and the Wondercraft AI platform for starting your own podcast with hyper-realistic AI voices. Don't forget to use code AUNraveled50 for a 50% discount and grab the book AI Unraveled by Etienne Newman at Shopify, Apple, Google, or Amazon. Thanks for listening to today's episode. I'll see you guys at the next one, and don't forget to subscribe.